Any thoughts on how this coaching industry is evolving, or what's the next wave in coaching, Mr. Ramesh?
See, what I would say is that coaching will become a way of life within an organization also. And possibly now it will go beyond organization, where it will become a way of life in society. Like the other day, I was having a conversation with a young lady who used to work with me. And now this lady is quite successful in her career. Unfortunately, she did not have a good marriage, so she got divorced and things like that. She's quite young. She's maybe in her 30s. And so while having this conversation, I was asking her what next as far as her life is concerned. And then she told me that she got divorced about 7-8 years back. But she was telling me that no, now I realize that I need to look at life differently and things like that. So what I'm saying is that individuals beyond organizations also need coaching. You may call them life coaching or whatever. So, and the fact is that today, unfortunately, I mean, this I have predicted in many blogs I have written. Maybe you can go through my site and you'll get all of them. Sure. Is that unfortunately, family as an institution has broken down. So earlier, when I had a problem, I had my sisters, brothers, uncles, aunts, neighbors to guide me. I used to go running to them saying, I'm not able to have a conversation with my father because he is very tough and he doesn't listen to me. So can you listen to me? And that uncle or aunt or neighbor, whoever, became like a counselor, a coach, and sometimes a mentor. And they used to also become a bridge between me and my father.
Correct.
Okay, or my mother, whatever be the case. So today, the family as an institution has broken down completely. Okay, because of various reasons. I'm not saying right or wrong. I'm not even making a judgment, but I feel it's as an institution it has broken down because we were very, very proud of family as an institution in India.
Correct.
But it is broken down. So we can't deny that. And second, for example, today even husband and wife, many of them don't live in the same city. I mean, husband is in one city, wife is in another city, and they meet on weekends. So again, I'm not saying it's right or wrong. I'm not even passing a judgment, but I'm only saying where will be the family? I mean, the children will be in some other city. So the family is not there. Second, marriage as an institution is broken down. Okay. In most cases, marriages, I mean, unfortunate it is, but I used to have a habit, and even today I have, that if anybody invites me for a marriage, if I'm in that same city, I'll attend the marriage. Okay. And especially if an employee invites me, whether it's a workman or whether it is a CEO, it doesn't matter. If an employee invites me that this is my daughter's marriage or my son's marriage or brother's marriage or whatever, if I'm in that city, I'll attend it. Okay. So in the last, maybe it's about 10 years, I would say, I have seen that every marriage I have attended, almost 1/4 of them, or maybe 1/3 of them, have broken down within 3 to 5 years. Okay, now again, I mean, we can't pass judgments of why it is broken down because every individual has a right to choose whether to live with someone or not live with someone. And compatibility is not something which is ordained by society, or it cannot be determined by astrologers or horoscope readers and so on. So it is unfortunate. But so because of marriage breaking down, again, you don't have an emotional connect with anyone. Okay, I mean, all this Facebook and social media, I'm quite active on social media. Correct. But I can tell you that all the social media is something which does not create emotions to human beings. Okay, I may have 23,000 followers on LinkedIn. Okay, but tomorrow if I am admitted in a hospital, how many people will come and see me? I'm not sure. Except my close friends or my relatives and so on. So that is the true test of when you are in crisis, who is there around you. Okay. In the past, if, for example, even today, I may have friends from my Billai days. If I may not have spoken to them for years together, but if I call them, they are there for me. If I am in need, they are there to support, and so on. So that is something which is missing. So this is where I would say that we need to build that emotional connect. So what I'm trying to say is whether it is individuals, whether it is institutions, whether it is society at large, I think everyone needs coaching in some form or the other. And so there is an opportunity for people to do it. And as long as they feel that you're adding value to their life, I think they will come.
Correct. Wonderful, very nice connection, because it's not coaching which looked like developmental and very focused on executives. It's now moving to look at life. And I think what you said, the institution of family and the institution of human relationships is rechanged and made the need for life coaching to take predominance, right, for all of us.
Absolutely.